Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video we are going to learn our 14th lesson. So what is our 14th lesson name? Modes of transport. Okay. So here before that we will learn what is transport. So what is transport, children? Do you know? Yes, transport is a system for taking people or goods from one place to another place. Okay, it is a system for taking people or goods from one place to another place. And in this transport, we can see many modes, or else we can say many types. What are those? So, the first one is land transport. So what is land transport? The system of vehicles that moves on land is called land transport. Here in this system vehicles will move on land. You can observe in the picture. So example for this land transport: car, bullock cart, bike, auto rickshaw, etc. So this is a land transport, the system of vehicles that move on land. So the next mode of transport or types of transport is water transport. So in this system, vehicles that move on water is called water transport. So in this system, vehicles will move on water. For example, boat, yacht, steamer, okay, and even ship also. Yes, so this is a transport vehicles that move on water. So this is also type of or mode of transport. And the next one is air transport. The system of vehicles that move on air is called air transport. So in this mode of transport, the vehicles will move on air. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. So this is all about transport and types of transport or modes of transport. What are those? Land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay, so next we will move to our textual part, lesson number 14, modes of transport. So children, after studying this lesson, you can identify the need of transport and you can understand the different modes of transport for long distance and short distance and modern modes of transport. And you will come to know about different kinds of workers working in railway station and bus station. Okay, so next one song is there. What is that? Picnic, picnic by bus along with my friends. Variety of vehicles moving on the road. Horse cart and bullock cart, cycle and motorbike, auto rickshaw and car. So many vehicles on the road. Train on the rail, boat on the water, aeroplane in the air, flying in the sky. Some are moving slow, some are moving fast. Different modes of transport, I like them very much. Okay, so this is the song about different types of vehicles. Okay, so in the next page, name the vehicles which are there in the poem. Just now we sang one song, no? So in that poem, what are the vehicles are there? So bus, cycle, aeroplane, bullock cart, train, boat, lorry, horse cart, helicopter, ship, motorbike, auto rickshaw. So many different types of vehicles are there. Okay. And in the next, children, collect the pictures and vehicles and stick them here. So in this box, you have to collect the different types of vehicles pictures and you have to paste here. Yes. So this is your activity. And next, make a list of the vehicles by which you have traveled. So in which vehicles you have traveled, that vehicles list you have to make here. So usually we will travel by bus, train, aeroplane, cycle, car, motorbike, auto rickshaw, boat, horse cart, bullock cart, lorry, etc. Isn't it? Yes. And next, classify the vehicles listed by you as fast moving vehicles and slow moving vehicles. So children, we have seen many different types of vehicles. Even we have traveled also. So all the vehicles will not move in the same speed, isn't it? So some vehicles will move fast and some vehicles will move slow. So we have to divide here fast moving vehicles and slow moving vehicles. Okay, let us divide. So fast moving vehicles, bus, car, lorry, motorbike, train, aeroplane. So in the slow moving vehicles, what are those? It may be horse cart, boat, bullock cart. These types of vehicles will move slowly, isn't it? Yes. So in the next, which vehicles are used for carrying goods in your place right here? So all the vehicles will not carry the goods and all the vehicles will not carry the people. So here we should write which vehicles are used for carrying goods. So bullock cart, we can write lorry, truck, and even goods train, cargo ship. So in this type of vehicles, the vehicles carrying goods. Isn't it, children? Yes. So in the next, one more activity. Fill in the blanks with suitable words and read the passage. So we use vehicles like dash and dash to travel from one place to another place. What are the vehicles? Bus. I will write here bus and car. We use vehicles like bus and car to travel from one place to another place. And people use vehicles like dash, dash and dash to carry goods from one place to another place. Just now we have learned, no? What are the vehicles we will use to carry the goods, children? Yes. Lorry, train, ship to carry goods from one place to another place. And dash is comfortable for long journeys. So which vehicle we will prefer for a long journey? Yes, it is train, comfortable for long journey. And dash is useful to travel fast. So which vehicle it is move fast, children? Very fast? Yes, it is aeroplane is useful to travel fast. And dash is used for traveling in desert. So desert people, what type of vehicle? What they will use to move from one place to another place? Yes, it is camel. And it is called the ship of the desert also. Isn't it? Yes. And last one, dash to cross river. So what we will use to cross the river? Boat. Yes, it is boat. So these are some vehicles. And next, one bus station picture is there and some boats are there. What are the boats? Keep the bus station clean and keep the toilets clean and ticket counter follow the queue. So this is the bus station. Ticket counter will be there, and always whenever we will go to, we have to try to keep the bus station clean, and we should follow the queue, okay, to get in the bus. So we should keep the toilet also clean, and even we can see the conductor drivers also here, children, in the bus station, isn't it? Uh, these are some rules which we follows in the bus station. Okay. So in the next page, write what you have seen in the bus station of your place. In our place, so I have saw it is very clean. Bus station is very clean and have drinking water facility and ticket counter, enquiry room is there, and passengers also follows the queue to get in the bus, and have saw driver and conductor also. So many things will be there in the bus station, isn't it? So according to your place, you can write, children, here. So down one more activity is there. Draw simple pictures of two vehicles you have seen and color them. So two parts are there. So you have to draw draw simple pictures which is your favorite vehicles. You have to draw two vehicles and you have to color them. Okay, so next, railway station. So keep the railway station clean, board is there, isn't it? Yes. So this is a railway station picture. So many people will be there. So is there a railway station in your place? Yes. Have you seen a railway station? Yes. Have you traveled by train? Yes, I have traveled, children. I have written yes. So according to you, you can fill this box. Yes, do it yourself. With the help of elders, prepare the model of a train using matchboxes and lids of the soft drink bottles. So children, so you can prepare a model of train using matchboxes, empty matchboxes you can use, and you can prepare a model of a train, and even from lids of soft drink also. Okay, so try to do, if you try to do and send the picture to group. Yes, and know this, there is a need of workers in bus and railway stations to do different works. Their cooperation is needed for our comfortable travel. So in railway station and bus station, so many workers will be there, like what uh, conductor, driver and labor and shopkeeper, isn't it? And even what some people will come to sell some snacks and all, and newspaper, magazines, and something they will say come to sale, and so many workers will be there. Even their cooperation we needed, isn't it? We needed for our comfortable travel. Yes. So next, observe the pictures. What job works are the people doing? Right in the space provided. So in the first picture, what is this, children? So this is the picture of sweeper, isn't it? So what the sweeper will do? They cleans the street, or we can say roads, isn't it? They clean. And in the second picture, we can say coolie, potter, or labor. So what they will do? They carry the luggage. In bus station, in railway station, you can observe these people, children. They carry the luggage. Yes, in the next picture, driver. So they drive the vehicles, isn't it? Yes. And in the next, conductor. So what they will do? They give the ticket. They give the ticket to our destination, isn't it? Yes. And in the auto driver, we will say auto driver, no? So what they will do? They drop passengers from one place to another place. Auto drivers, what they will do? They drop passengers from one place to another place. Yes. So children, I hope you understood this lesson, modes of transport. So we have learned what is transport, modes of transport, means types of transport, land transport, air transport, water transport, and different types of workers in the bus station, railway station, and even we will learn about bus station and railway station, and we will learn so many things by this lesson. Okay, slow moving vehicles, fast moving vehicles, goods carrying vehicles, people carrying vehicles, isn't it? Yes. So I hope you understood this lesson, children. Now homework, read the lesson, do the working pages in the textbook, and paste the pictures of land, water and air transport in the classwork. Okay. Paste these pictures. Okay. Thank you.